Yes sir! Unboxing tayo ngayon ng ano to? STC. Ito yung pag dito yung router sa Kuwait. Yan. Magagamit namin yan. Tsaka, yeah, ito nga pala yung bago nating router. Yes sir! Sheesh! Play! We have a new router now. Okay? And then the other one is from STC again. Wow! iPad 9 generation. 10.2 inches. 64 GB. Play again. Kuya! You have new iPad. Wow! And then again?
Yay!
Yes! What's that? Ah, cover.
Open.
Cover?
Wow!
Wow!
It's my turn.
It's for you? Ano? Ah, okay. And then finally, again, what is that, Play? Yes! iPhone 13 color green to. Then 256 GB. Wow, meron na si Maming iPhone 13. Clay. Again. Open natin. Ha?
Ano mo na ba yan?
Open natin to. Parang nakakahinayang i-open. Ha?
Gagamitin.
Open na natin.
Stop. Stop.
Baka sira eh.
Wow.
Wow, it's for you. This is for you? Ha? And then this is for mommy? Oh, for daddy. For daddy daw. Yeah. Wow. What is that? Ah,
Wow.
meron ng charger. Dami na nating sisirain, kuya. Ha! Sarap naman yan. Ah, hindi siya kuha diretso dito. Hindi pa siya diretso dito sagad. Ayun na. Mas may pindutan pa. Ito, buksan na natin to. Paano buksan to?